Oh, another kiwi. Why does it always happen like that? Okay. I am starting a game of comp. So W, Q, come on. Oh, P. W, Q, W, Q. That's how I move. Because I'm not good at doing the other stuff. And I'm already about 2 meters in. At 50, there's a jump. How am I supposed to jump? 4 meters. 5 meters. 6 meters. You know, this would be really funny if you were doing this while running yourself and just going, oh, I made 8 meters now. Woohoo! Of course, again, if you ran like this, you would attract a lot of attention. You know, I would. Because he's, I think he's like running on his knee here. I really gotta make this game easier. $14, $15.